Suppose someone browsing your website, a particular page or particular service you are providing, but they are not contacting you or they haven't booked any appointment yet, but still they are browsing. They have some confusion or don't know what it is that they haven't contacted you yet. So what you can do, depending on their behavior, depending on their activities, you can create automation. It's called behavior based automation. Let me show you. Suppose this is our website and someone is visiting our website. Frequently out of our many page, they are visiting our main page, that is GoHighLevel automation solution. Like they are browsing this page, they are reading our content or watching our content, but they haven't contacted us or they haven't booked any appointment. So what we did, we created a automation around this GoHighLevel A to Z service page. Let me show you that. Before creating any automation, we need to also think that it could be our existing customer. He is browsing frequently. So we need to create the automation. Keep that in mind. If it is our existing customer, then we cannot send any new email or something like that. It is only for the new who haven't subscribed to us or haven't contacted with us. This is the automation. For this automation, the trigger is the page. It will only trigger when they will visit this page, GoHighLevel solution, not the other page. So the trigger is a trigger link clicked. What is the link? The link is GoHighLevel automation service page. If it is our existing customer or if it's a new customer, how we will check? I put a tag like appointment booked. If the tag is included appointment book, then it is our existing customer. Then there will be no activities. The automation will stop there. If it is not our existing customer, then it will send a SMS. We can send email. We can send our service detail or our appointment booking link. After checking the condition, I send a SMS. This will be the SMS like, thanks for checking out our GoHighLevel automation service. Do you have any quick questions or specific needs we could discuss? So I send. So this kind of simple automation will make your visitor as your lead, as your sales. So if you looking to do this kind of more automation or you want to create a sales funnel, website or email campaign, just let us know. You can reach out to us info@emartit.com. Thank you.